Good morning, students. Today we will solve unsolved HTML practical questions that I have given you earlier. Okay, so I will solve first two unsolved questions, and then I hope that you will not be having any difficulty in other questions. There are two questions that I gave you in the beginning. So here you can see this is paragraph, this is heading, this is ordered list, and this is image on the right side. Got it? You have to find out first of all that which tag we will use in different part of the program. You can see this is paragraph. For paragraph we will use p tag. This is heading. For heading we can use h1 to h6. So it seems like this is largest heading, so I will use h1. For image we will use img tag. Okay, and you can see image is on the right side, so we have to write align right attribute. This is ordered list. For ordered list we will use ol tag. So let's start the code. I am using notepad++ here. I will tell you how to start both. You can click on start button, then click on all programs, click on accessories and choose notepad. Got it? Apart from notepad there is editor notepad++. That also you can download from the net. In this different tags are in different colors. Okay, so you can understand program well. So I am starting notepad++. And here we have to write HTML basic structure. HTML head tag, title tag, title, the theme is Bollywood, head. Always remember you write this in one single line so that you are not making mistake in writing tags. After head tag you have to start body tag. Body tag. Okay, so this is our first program. So let's start with first program. Let's see how it looks like in the web browser. So we will save it. Save. I have created a folder on the desktop. You can see class 10 folder I have created. There I have already downloaded a picture and used. Okay, so I will save it here. So file name I will put Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood, or simply movie dot html. Got it? You can either write htm or you can also write html. Both are correct. Got it? File name dot html. In place of movie you can write any name according to your theme. Okay, according to your program. Got it? And then after that you have to click on save. Now you can see the main tags, the basic structure is in blue color. The first program is written. So we will see it is on the desktop class 10. This is image and this is our movie file that we have saved. So double click. This is our first program. Got it? Now here we will change the content. Okay, if we have to change the content we will change everything. We will put everything in body tag. So this was the question. So let's write I told you first of all it is paragraph, that means p tag. P tag. This website is a gateway to film reviews. Following is a list of the top 5 films running successfully in cinema house in September 2011. Okay, and paragraph closed. Got it? Then save it. Let's see the output in web browser. It is Chrome. In my laptop it is the Chrome is the default web browser. So whatever is the default web browser in your PC you can use. Here you can click on this button to refresh. Otherwise I use shortcut F5. Got it? We can use shortcut F5 to refresh. Otherwise you can also use this button to reload the program in the browser. Now let's again come to the screenshot. This is H1 heading, so we will write H1 heading over here. H1. Okay, top 5 films of September 2011. H1 closed. Okay, now let's see it in the web browser. This is it. Okay, click on this. Got it? Now I think it is same as we want. Again let's see the screenshot. Here is this image on the right side. Got it? So I will put img tag. img src equals to, in double quote, the file name was bollywood.jpg. okay, and it is align equals to right. Let's refresh. Image is on the right side, but image is in big size, so we have to make it small. So reduce the size. Okay, it is height equals to 100, or I will take 50, 150. Width equals to 150. Okay, save it and then refresh. And don't forget to save. Remember, you have to save it every time. Here the picture is very small, we can make it 300. Refresh like this. Okay, now in our screenshot it was ordered list. Okay, so let's write ordered list. For ordered list we will use ol tag, ol li. How many list items are there? 5 list items, so we will use 5 li. Okay, so I'll copy it 5 times. Students, HTML is very easy. Only the thing is that you have to learn the tags. For paragraph it is p tag. You can see it seems very easy. For heading it is h1 tag. For image it is img tag. For ordered list it is ol tag. Okay, now type the code, type the list items. Okay, save it, go to the web browser, it is Chrome, refresh. Now you can see it is done. You can minimize and you can see the output. It looks like this. Okay, you can see. So after minimizing you can make it accordingly. Okay, so now the paragraph, it depends on the size of the web browser. Okay, this program is done. Image size we can reduce so that output is exactly like this. So let's reduce image size. So come to the notepad and here you write 100. Okay, save it, go to the web browser, refresh. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's do another program. I'm closing this. Okay, you also close it. Now you can see this is new page. And now the next program I will make with Notepad. Got it? This is Notepad++ editor to do HTML programming or any other language we can write here and then save it accordingly. So for HTML I'm using Notepad here. So Notepad we have to start by clicking on start button. Click on Notepad directly, otherwise click on all programs. Click on accessories and then click on Notepad. Got it? Let's reduce the size so that we can see the screenshot also. Okay, now we will do the second question. For second question we have to type HTML basic structure, HTML head tag in the next line, put title tag. Here the theme is career. Okay, you can write anything according to your choice. Okay, you can choose heading accordingly. Title, head, then body tag. Here it is H1 heading and you can see this is unordered list and this is ordered list inside unordered list. Got it? So first of all I will tell you the unordered list. Okay, after H1. So H1 exclamation mark 2 times. Let's increase the size so that it is visible to you. So you can click on font size, you can make it bold, increase the size. Okay, this is visible now. So caps A, B, C, careers, exclamation mark again, then close H1 tag. Okay, now next line, unordered list. I said in unordered list there are 2 list items. So first of all ul tag, then li, two list items are there, li. This you can see according to the symbols are there in unordered list, numbers are there in ordered list. Got it? So for bulleted list we will use unordered list means ul. For numbered list we will use ordered list, OL tag. Got it? So these two we will use unordered list. So we don't have to write unordered list every time. You can create one unordered list and then /ul. Got it? This is unordered list with two list items. The first list item is, you can see, computer course, and the second list item is management courses. Got it? So write it down. Computer courses. The second list item, management courses. Okay, now let's see the output. Before that, I will finish the code of body tag /body /html. Can you tell me which example is this? First of all, let us save this. We have to go on desktop. See, if the desktop is not already open, here you can see that class 10 folder is there. So if the desktop is not already open, then you can click on desktop, so that desktop will appear over here. Then after that, you click on class 10 folder, and there you have to choose all files in place of text documents. And now the theme is career.html. I said extension, file name with extension. Okay, and then save it. Got it? Go to the respective folder. This is class 10th folder, so we can click on career. You can see the output is exactly same. Now this example is actually the example of nested list. Got it? So you can see two unordered list items I have displayed, but here you have to enter one unordered list, and here also you have to enter one ordered list. Where you will enter it? After the list item. First list item. After first list item, you have to insert ordered list, in which there are two list items, BCA and MCA. And here in the second list item, after second list item, you have to again insert one ordered list, and here the list items are BBA and MBA. Got it? So now let's go to the notepad. So let's finish the code. Ordered list, OL LI. The list item is BCA. The second list item is, you can write in small capital both, caps. Okay, and then close ordered list. Okay, you can see after first list item we have inserted ordered list. Now after this also we have to insert one ordered list, but let's see the output first. This is web browser. Refresh it. We can see the output is exactly same. Now you can match with the question. Okay, one thing is left. One ordered list we have to insert after management courses. Got it? So now come here. It is better to copy now, because this also contain two list items, so we have to simply change the content over here. So it is BBA, and here it is MBA. Got it? Save it. Go to the web browser, click on refresh. So students, I hope you understood. This is the file that I have given to you. It is PDF. This is notepad file where I have written the code, and this is the web browser where I can see the output. Got it? This is output of the program, this program. I hope you understood both the questions. So students, only this much for today. And listen, if you are having difficulty in any of the topic or practical or anything, You can call me anytime. Okay, don't hesitate to call. Until and unless you will not tell me your doubts, I will not be able to clear your doubts. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.